Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this really cool journaling kit. So everybody is getting journaling supplies for Christmas this year because I've gone a little crazy buying the journaling stuff. So this one is from the brand Mr. Pen, and this one's a little different from some of the other ones that I've looked at. So the biggest difference are the stencils. So if you like to doodle in your margins, make little creative things, so we've got some different design elements here. You've got all of your letters, including Roman numbers down at the bottom, and then some little just banners. You've got the word hope, and then some smaller ones here. I've not come across a journaling kit that actually had stencils including in it, like the beginner kits. So this is definitely a bonus for this one. We have Bible tabs, very nice, bright, colorful ones. It also comes with a small ruler. So this is 6 inches. You have a pen bag, of course. It has 1 Thessalonians 5:11, encourage one another and build each other up. And then here are the pens. So these are not the pastel colored pens that most of the other kits have. These are actually going to be more on the darker side. So you do have 4. So these here are black pens. They're just decorated with darker colors, but these are black ink. Now the highlighters, let me show you here. So these are not marker style highlighters. So these are going to be completely true, no bleed. They go on more like waxy, like crayons. And so I'm just going to show you purple and pink here. So you can see that. But again, they're definitely no bleed. There's no it's just like a crayon, so the waxy kind. So it's not a marker style. Definite bonus, especially if you're using like a regular Bible that the pages are really delicate. I actually have this Bible, so the pages are pretty thick. And then we have so you have blue, green, pink, and a dark gray charcoal color. Now these are fine tip. And so perfect for just writing in small margins. And it's not bleeding through. So I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. So you have 4 colors for that. So again, perfect for using inside these stencils. It's going to get up in there. The tip of it's very, very fine. But yeah, overall, I think if you're looking for a good starter kit for the doodle style of journaling. So yeah, if you're looking for if you're looking for like a starter kit or maybe a gift idea for someone who loves to doodle during their journaling time, this is definitely a great option for them.